Hello students, I am Sonal Kame, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Home Science and as NSS Coordinator in Srimati Radha Devi Goenka College for Women, Akola, Maharashtra. I am also the Certified Soft Skills Trainer of Santa Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. Hope so you have enjoyed the first lecture on the series of reading skills. In that lecture, we had seen about the definition of reading skills and also about the reading instruction. In this present video, we are going to focus on the benefits of reading skills. But at the very onset, let us revise the definition of reading skill. Reading skill is the ability of a person to read, comprehend and interpret the written material. Now, let us focus on the benefits of reading. The first benefit of reading is mental stimulation. As the muscles of our body need some sort of exercise, reading can prove one of the best exercise for our brain. So, it helps in mental stimulation even. Next is stress reduction. No matter how much stress you have at work, in your personal life, in your personal relationships, in countless other issues, but a little, a strong, and a great story can keep you engaged and it will help you to reduce your stress. Each one of us is facing some sort of stress in our daily life. Every one of us is running behind achieving some targets, some goals in our life. During this, we get a lot of stress, and reading some good amount of material or a story or a novel or anything, any book of your choice can help you reduce your stress. And due to this, you can have a sound sleep even. Many of the people out there are habitual of going to sleep after reading some good stuff, so it helps them to reduce their stress whichever they have got in the day around. Nextly, it helps us to gain knowledge. Everything you read fills your head with a new bits of information. Each and everything which you read will give you something new to know, and it will help to gain new information, gain new knowledge, and it will add on to your present knowledge even. Next is vocabulary expansion. The more you read, the more words you gain exposure to, and they will be inevitably make their way into your everyday vocabulary. The more words you go through, the more you can improve your writing skills, and hence your speaking skills will also be enhanced if you expand your vocabulary and use them in your daily course. It helps in memory improvement. Reading new things improves your memory because you are always giving something, some type of food to your brain through reading different things, and it helps in improving your memory. Not only improving your memory, but it helps to recall the things whichever you have read. Thus, it helps in memory improvement even. Next is stronger analytical thinking skills. Reading different types of books make you think in different types. It opens many dimensions in front of you. It helps you to think analytically and critically, because due to exposure to different types of books, you get different types of experiences being shared by many authors, and it helps you to make wise decision and think critically in any situation of your life. Next is it improves focus and concentration. This is very much particularly related to the students, because focus and concentration is very much related to students. They need it if they want to gain good results in their examinations. They have to focus and concentrate on whatever they have read. Otherwise, many a times it happens that whenever we go to give any example, students go to give any example, and they just hang out. They are not able to recall whatever they have read before going to the exam. This is because they had done this all reading stuff without focusing and concentrating. If they had done this reading through proper focus and concentration, then they would have that recall power more. So you have to read with focus and concentration. And reading skills, practicing reading skills now, every now and then, will help you improve your focus and concentration. Better writing skills, as I said in my prior video, that for any language skill, the input is listening and reading, and the output you get would be writing and speaking. If you read more and more books, your vocabulary will be enhanced, and due to enhanced vocabulary, you can use them in your writing purpose, and your standard of writing will also improve if you use a variety of words in your writing skills. Hence, this is one of the most important benefit of reading, that it helps to better your writing skills. You learn anything you read, you get to know something new, and you learn new things out of the material whatever you have read out. So this is also one of the important benefits of reading, that you learn. It improves your writing skills, as said prior. It helps in relaxation. Even relaxation means, due to stress and tensions nowadays, we need some sort of relaxation to our mind, to our brain, to our body. And reading some good stuff can give you relaxation, can make you feel relaxed out of the stress, and it will give you a soothing feeling, and it will also help you to have a sound sleep after having a good relaxed mind, which is due to reading some good stuff. It inspires you. It is very truly said that any great author, his creation, his autobiography, his biographies, his fictions, his novels, always try to inspire you. If you really do good, some go through some good stuff of books, they will really inspire you. Many of us get demotivated by many things. Reading some good motivational books can even inspire you to find a way out in your present situation. In If you are stuck in any problem, if you want to make any decision wisely, if you want to lead your life in a better way, it will really help you. The books really inspire you. Last but not the least, thanks and keep reading. I hereby make you one request to like and share my video, and also subscribe the channel to get more videos and get more information. So thanks and keep reading.